Most of us guitarists want to be able to play scales faster, at least moderately fast, and practicing those scales up and down in an endless fashion tends to get quite boring and unmusical. We just want to be able to play the scales that appear in the music that we love. What if I told you that you don't have to endlessly practice scales to get faster? What if I told you that there's a simple hack to increase the speed? Keep watching if you'd like to know this simple hack. Okay, that was perhaps a bit dramatic. When we practice scales, most of our attention is focused on the inbound movement of the fingers, and less attention is on the exterior muscle movement that drive the fingers back. As I see it, it is the exterior movement that is the key component in the fast scale equation.
If there only was a way to strengthen the exterior muscles, my finger reflexes would be way faster.
Wait! There's a way! And now, for the simple hack! Okay, again, a little bit dramatic. To strengthen the exterior muscles, we simply hit the string with the back of the nail. This is like lifting dumbbell weights to strengthen the bicep. One more way to exercise the exterior muscles is to anchor the thumb on the fourth string and do a 3-finger rasgueados on the first 3 strings. Why do you think flamenco guitarists are able to play such furiously, blazingly fast scales? That's right, rasgueados. I encourage you to include this kind of exercises in your daily practice. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.